Первые лучи солнца сегодня 10 февраля 2026 года. Иду с Патроклом на Альпике, период ветров 256. В горной долине Эсто-Садок выпало неплохо снега. Вот. Очень круто. Так что такие дела.
10 февраля 26 года с Патроклом на Альпике. Десятое февраля 26 года на Альпике с Патроклом, плюс 1 КП, пора катить.
Да, я знаю это. А, мы на юность ходили, да? Да, ниже нет поехать. Нету. А ты походил на правому или на левую?
D2T on the track.
Come on, get on, get some
On the track.
Hold up and analyze. We do our thing, son.
D2T on the track.
Hold up and analyze. Come on, get some. Listen close as I prove my point. We need to make it interesting.
No comparison, we more solid than they are. Me and Hit Boy, they say we like the new Gang Star. Me and Flacco, they say we the new wave guards. Shout to Max B, he could be home any day, God.
Wake up out the bed, scruffy, sparking my J. Shine my nickel plated, then I'm starting my day. My old lady called me baby, told apart in my age. 12 shells in the cage, like a cart in the eggs. We on home like every carbon chromosomes on my conscience. Here's a niggas talking nonsense, call them nasty Nostradamus. Wrap the pearls and diamonds, break the promise, break a wildest, break a heart and break a pocket. Taking notes like guidance counselors. Aristocrats like the chancellor, the answer to the panhandlers. The corners with the mans is up, the Jake is up, the scams is up. Yeah, they hands is up, looking in the crowd, yeah. Trying to fuck the world, but my pants still on the best to all my G's before we rest in peace. Cause be sure to rest in peace. The rest is set, the record set as soon as I release. The rumors be I roam the streets with no security. They know a nigga overseas. Kinda swag that's passed from your mom and dad. Pride of bags and we cheesing on them Calvin ads. Mighty peep the billboards 50 feet when out in traffic. Staring at a nigga picture shit, you bound to crash.
No comparison, we more solid than they are. Me and Hit Boy, they say we like the new Gang Star. Me and Flacco, they say we the new wave guards. Shout to Max B, he could be home any day, God.
Hold up and analyze.
ASAP Mob got mass appeal.
Come on, get some. All of that niggas hit the lick like.
D2T on the track.
Wake up out the bed, wrap my do-rag up. Say a prayer, I'm thanking God that Mom Dukes had us. Monotone style like Guru on Supremo cuts. Who neck by McQueen go nuts. Jewels over my white hoodie like Juvie and 9-8. It's movies that I make, Peruvian white flake. It taught the community at a high rate. Adversity I face, I roll my own gas to make sure that it's not late. Damn, I used to hit the block hoping they see me. Watching video music box, sitting close to the TV. I was inspired by Houdini and Cool G. Got my first pair of J's, thought I was 2-3. Invest in all my G's before we rest in peace, cause we sure to rest in peace. My shorty is a piece of mind, a dime piece. I might buy you a piece of property. You might have had some joints, but ain't nothing like me and Rocky sing. No comparison, we more solid than they are. Me and Hit Boy, they say we like the new Gang Star. Me and Flacco, they say we the new wave guards. Shout to Max B, he could be home any day, God.
Come on, get some.
Yeah. ASAP Mob got mass appeal.
We do our thing, son.
Listen close as I prove my point.
D2T on the track. D2 head.
Tell hit we gotta hit. Hey, 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 hey. Tell hit we gotta hit.
D2T on the track. D2 head.
I call them nasty niggas hit the lick like.
Йоу-йоу-йоу! Катнул сегодня 10 февраля 26 года на Альпике с Патроклом. Очень круто. Качу далее по горной долине Эсто-Садок с улицы Олимпийская, дом 24 на улицу Листопадная, дом 7 с Бёрденом. Так я сегодня катнул 10 февраля 26 года на Альпике с Патроклом. Это можно назвать Паудер Ваудер. Самый настоящий Паудер Ваудер. Лейтмотив сезона сленг. Вот это настоящий Паудер Ваудер.